Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed the first week of class and are looking forward to this week. In this video, I will review a few key things from last week. I have an important reminder, and I will talk about some concepts for next class. In the previous week, we talked about strong versus weak AI, and I said that this course will focus on weak AI. And don't let the name mislead you. What characterizes weak AI is not weak at all. In fact, they are the things that make us excited about life. And the kind of things that you will do as a business data analyst or data scientist will change how many others do businesses and people's life. And last week, if you recall, we talked about 3 categories of machine learning algorithms or machine learning methods. You recall what are the 3 types of machine learning? Alright, they are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Their differences should be crystal clear by now, and I hope you have understood this. And as I said, this course will focus on 2 of the 3 types, mostly about supervised learning, but also we will talk about unsupervised learning. I would like to clarify about a possible misconception about business analytics. Although the name of the degree is business analytics, it is very tempting to say that you are a business analyst after going through this program. But I wouldn't necessarily agree. Business analyst is very different from business analytics. The focus of business analytics is more on the analytics part than on the business part. Although the business gives the context, it makes the job significant in the business world. And a lot of times, you may not use the skills that you learn in this degree on purely business dealings. You may help medical professionals sift through the data and find patterns. So that's medical research, or that's healthcare research, or healthcare analytics. So I want to make that very clear. You are not a business analyst. You will be most likely a data analyst. Now that is all I would like to review about the previous week, but I have a very important reminder, is that by now, I hope that you have already installed the Python Jupyter Notebook and the necessary packages. If you have already installed it before taking this class, that's perfect. But if you haven't, I would like to urge you to install them as soon as possible. I have uploaded PDF tutorials that contain step-by-step detailed guidance on how to install the correct version and the best way to install the packages. And also I uploaded a video to show you step-by-step how to do those. So do that ASAP. And also don't forget to do the screening test about the Python installation process. I ask that everybody complete the screening test, even if you have installed Python before this class because you have taken other class or have taken my advanced programming class. And if you are in those situations, you can simply ask one of the questions in the front and skip to the end. The screening test does not count toward your final grade, but it is an important part of this course, especially in the beginning. Now, I'd like to discuss some of the concepts that we will talk about in the next class. We will talk about data preprocessing and data understanding. If you recall, I talked about the CRISP-DM process model of data mining or artificial intelligence projects, and data understanding is one of the 6 phases of the process model. Data analysis professionals will all agree that data preprocessing and data understanding, and as part of it, the exploratory data analysis play a critical role in any project. But have you thought about why? In the next class, we will talk a little about that and we will drill down. And before this class, you must have also taken other classes, deal with data analysis in some way or the other. What specific type of plots, or we used to say plots and graphing or graphic methods, and nowadays a keyword that includes all of those operations is visualization. We like to talk about visualization a lot in the business field. So what kinds of visualizations have you been familiar with prior to this point? And can you think about what are they for? What each type of the visualization is for? For instance, a histogram. What is it for? A scatter plot. What is it for? And what is a stacked histogram? Now, these thoughts will come in handy as we talk about the exploratory data analysis. Another thing I want to touch on in this video is correlation. We will talk about correlation in the next class. Now, what is a correlation? What does that really mean? Correlation is related to the covariance between two variables. And correlation plays a big part in data analytics, especially in understanding the data as well as in building predictive models. So why is correlation a fundamental part of those analyses? So with those said, I will be looking forward to seeing you all in the next class. Bye.